Stop wasting hours editing shorts manually. I'm going to show you how to turn a 20 minutes video into 10 viral clips and more with only one click using CapCut AI. Open your CapCut. Don't click new project. Instead, for this time, we're gonna go find the magic button. Long video to shorts. Let's click into it. Time to upload your source video. For this, I'm using a nice clip of Stephen Bartlett on his Diary of CEO. In this video, he's asking a multimillionaire to reveal the best way to 10x your income. Here we got our video. You can play the video or you can select just a few moments if you want, and here you can pick your favorite caption. Let's have a quick scroll, but I know already that I'm going to go for the yellow one. Yeah, yellow and white, quite punchy. You can select the duration for the shorts between 30 seconds, 30 to 60. I'm trying to keep it short to maintain the high retention. You can include also specific moments, optional. So I want in this case to select, I want the AI to select the shorts when he's talking about money. So I'm going to type include the part when they are talking about money, where they're talking about numbers, which is what I really need for the shorts in this case. So you can be really specific. Once you're done, you can double check the credits. It's all good here. You got quite a few free credits, so there's no issue on the CapCut. And then after you're done, just double check, then you can click convert and start the conversion. And here we go, 17 shorts have been created from your video, all already with a caption included and the titles. You can edit or export, so you can easily export if you want an easy job. You can see also the trending button on top. This is really interesting. We can play, and you can also change the caption if there's any issue, so you can correct everything pretty quickly. You can see the timing. This is really a fantastic job from the AI. Once you picked your favorite one, you can click on export, and then you're going back to the classic export setting that you usually have in CapCut, so there's nothing really new here. Yeah, you can see you have the resolution, you have the bitrate and everything, so I just export as usual. If you're not happy with the work, you can rework it a bit. You can change the caption, you can change the layout, some basic edits and export. If you're gonna go a bit more in deep, you can press edit more and you enter directly on the CapCut desktop menu, so you can do your full editing if you need to do other extra effects. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Which AI feature should I break down next? Leave a comment down below.
And make sure you double check these two cool effects.